Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to another video. Today I have with me Mr. Shrey, and first of all congratulations brother for this wonderful beast, I would say. बहुत ही बढ़िया मशीन है, बहुत ही शानदार बाइक है, एंड आज का वीडियो पूरा वीडियो इस बाइक के बारे में होने वाला है. सो जुड़े रहें इस वीडियो में. एंड लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट Suzuki 800 DE ADV touring bike, I would say, correct?
Yes.
The first in Goa, and congratulations once again for this, for being the first bike owner. So let's continue the video. So Shrey, let's start with your bike. So first of all, let's straight away go into the heart of the machine.
Engine.
That's the engine.
So
Heart के बारे में थोड़ा सा.
Yes. तो जो engine है वो है 776 cc.
Okay.
जो प्रोड्यूस करता है 83 bhp.
Okay.
और 79 न्यूटन मीटर ऑफ टॉर्क.
Okay, fine.
और जो पूरा उसका पीक है वो ऑलमोस्ट 7000 के बाद आरपीएम के बाद शुरू होता है.
Okay.
और जो इसका टॉप स्पीड है वो ऑलमोस्ट 200 क्लेम करती है, या फिर लोग बताते हैं. मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया क्योंकि अभी तक पहला सर्विस नहीं हुआ है.
Okay.
So मैं आरपीएम मेंटेन कर रहा हूँ 4500. So मैं इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बता सकता. और
So the first service is at 1000 kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay. Since you stay in Pune, your half distance is already covered.
Yeah, covered. Yeah.
During the
Right.
Yeah.
So अभी फ्रो में ऑलमोस्ट ज़्यादा हो जाएगा वो, बट कर देंगे, मतलब वो एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. और फिर
So
इसके
it's
पैरेलल ट्विन.
Okay, as you can see, it's a parallel twin.
और जो एग्जॉस्ट है वो 2-in-1 है.
Okay, it's two outputs over here, और बाद में यहाँ पर वो merge होके सिंगल. Okay. Exhaust note बाद में सुनाएंगे.
Yes.
Okay. Then we'll come to the some other important details. ब्रेकिंग के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
सो ब्रेकिंग इन्होंने पूरा निसान का दिया है.
ओके.
जो आगे डबल पिस्टन 2 कैलिपर्स हैं, और पीछे सिंगल पिस्टन सिंगल कैलिपर है.
ओके.
पर पीछे वाला जो कैलिपर है वो बड़ा है, मतलब उसका जो पिस्टन है वो बड़ा है, और उसका परफॉर्मेंस भी बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसा नहीं कि सिंगल होने के बावजूद, मतलब सिंगल होने से कोई दिक्कत आ रही है.
करेक्ट. सो ये डुअल डिस्क.
यस.
एंड पीछे अपना सिंगल
डिस्क.
Okay, fine. Both are from Nissan.
Yeah, both are from Nissan.
So next we'll talk something about the suspension of the bike.
Yeah. So इसका फ्रंट और रियर दोनों का जो ट्रैवल है वो ऑलमोस्ट 220 mm है, और जो दोनों ये है सस्पेंशंस वो शोवा के हैं.
Okay, they are from Showa.
Yeah,
okay,
Showa.
Fine. And the travel is
220 mm.
Both at front
and rear.
Okay.
और दोनों एडजस्टेबल है.
Okay, adjustable for
कंप्रेशन एंड रिबाउंड.
Okay.
दोनों.
Compression, rebound.
हाँ,
okay.
जो आगे का है वो हम मतलब सर्विस सेंटर या फिर कोई जो नोन है उनसे करवाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें थोड़ा वो नहीं आएगा.
Correct.
पीछे वाला हम कर सकते हैं.
So basically both are adjustable.
Yes.
Okay, fine. And 220 mm is more than enough.
Yeah, more than enough.
The suspension travel is more than enough. Okay. So श्रेय, थोड़े व्हील्स के बारे में भी हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दीजिए.
हाँ, तो आगे का व्हील जो है वो 21 इंचेस है, और पीछे वाला 17.
और this is a 21 and this is a 17 inch.
17 inch.
Okay. That was all about the size of the wheels. And what about the tire size?
So दोनों में डनलॉप्स डले हुए हैं.
Okay.
और आगे का जो टायर साइज है वो है 90-18, और पीछे का है 150-70-17.
Okay. So both tires are very good for touring as well and
off-roading.
So the company fitted tires are means 60-40 or 60% touring and
Yeah, 60-40.
60-40.
हाँ.
More of touring.
More of touring.
Okay,
Yeah.
more of touring. And they are from Dunlops. Both
Dunlops.
are radial?
Yeah, radial.
Okay, both are radial.
Both are radial.
That's a pretty good setup from Suzuki.
Yeah.
So next we'll show you the lighting setup, which is full LED lighting setup in this bike. So starting off with the nice DRL. So that's the DRL, and that's the low beam.
This is the high beam.
Okay, that's the high beam. And then the turn indicators.
So ये hazard lights.
Okay, it comes with a company fitted hazard.
Yeah, hazard light.
Okay.
और कंपनी फिटेड चार्जिंग पोर्ट.
Okay, it's charger port भी दिया है.
हाँ.
It's a Type A charging port over here. And that's how the lighting setup is from the rear end. Okay, pretty bright. So next we'll show you the switch gear of the bike. So on the left hand side, what do we have?
ये सारे मोड्स हैं. मतलब
Mode selector
टॉगल
switch.
है. टॉगल मतलब स्विच, टॉगल स्विच है ऊपर नीचे.
To control the menus.
Menus, yeah.
Okay.
And ये इंडिकेटर.
Indicator, the horn.
ऑन. और
इस तरफ
हाँ,
the light.
हाँ, अपर
Okay.
डिपर. और ये किल स्विच.
Okay,
तो
engine
किल
fuse
स्विच इन्होंने सारे इसमें मतलब इंक्लूड किया है. किल, ऑन एंड
and engine start.
Yes.
Okay, and this is the hazard switch.
Hazard switch.
Okay. So next we will see the instrument console. Pretty nice animation. Suzuki logo. So that's the day mode of the instrument cluster,
Yeah.
and it turns into dark mode as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the features available in this?
Features are this is traction control.
Okay.
This is drive modes.
Okay.
And ABS.
Okay. How many driving modes?
Driving modes, 3 driving modes.
Okay.
A is aggressive, B is balance, C is comfort.
Okay.
Traction control, 3 traction control, 1 to 3.
The levels. Okay.
Yeah, levels. And ABS 1, 2, gravel and off.
Okay. So are they dependent on the riding mode?
No.
It
you
is
can, yeah, you can customize
completely
anyhow.
Okay. So everything is independent of.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Then
So-
you have so this one quick shifter also. Currently it is off because it is in running in. So
Okay. It does come with a bi-directional
Bi-directional
quick
shifter.
shifter. Okay.
So this is the quick
So the best part of the bike is it comes with a.
quick shifter.
Okay. So that's the quick shifter.
Yeah.
Fine. So what are the other information that is displayed on the screen?
So this is engine temperature.
Okay.
Then this is air temperature.
Okay. The
Yeah.
climate.
Climate.
Then we have the.
Then
battery.
Battery. So
Okay,
it
now-
yeah, it turned black.
Yeah. So it has turned into the night mode. Okay. Fine. Next we have.
Next we have this.
So that's the odometer.
Yeah. So ride. So here we can set RPM.
Okay. Okay.
So it's currently at 4,500 RPM.
Okay. It's locked.
Yeah. No, it's not locked.
Okay.
वो क्या करेगा 4,000 पे जाने के बाद वो ब्लिंक करेगा, फ्लिकर
Okay.
करेगा. This is quick shifter. It's currently off now.
Okay.
If you want, you can
Turn it on.
Yeah,
Okay.
turn it on. Then exit.
Okay.
Then-
And all this is controlled via these three
Yeah,
buttons.
these 3 buttons.
Okay. Fine.
Then this is info, warning list. अभी तो कुछ होगा नहीं उसमें.
Correct. The service
सिर्फ
indicator.
service
indicator.
Yeah.
Then we have the clock also as well. over
Yeah.
here.
Clock.
That's the fuel gauge.
Yeah. The next service due दिखा.
Okay.
हाँ.
Which are the kilometers?
256 kilometers.
Okay. So as of now, it has covered a distance of 744 kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the other settings. Brightness.
Okay, of the screen and
Yeah.
all. Okay.
If you want, you can make it more bright, medium, dark.
Okay. Yeah.
So it is in medium right now. Day and night.
That.
Yeah, you
okay,
can-
if we select it auto, it will automatically choose between day and night.
Yes.
Okay.
Then these are units.
Okay, units of.
Yeah. Consumption.
Okay.
किलोमीटर पर लीटर और लीटर इन 100 किलोमीटर
हाँ
mg
okay
mpg
okay lot of other
yeah
infos
then
temperature also in
हाँ,
Celsius or Fahrenheit
Fahrenheit
okay
then we can set
okay date and time as well
yeah.
okay
set date yeah
oh wow it has a built-in calendar too
yeah we can change format too
okay between DDM and
Yeah.
MyWire or YDDM
Yeah.
okay 3 options are available
yeah exit this is default
default
setting.
settings.
If you want to make it default you can
okay okay
single click default system info so this is the system info
okay the
Yeah.
software number
yeah
device number and hardware number
yeah
I guess it will get some updates in the future
Yeah.
some software updates
software updates
okay so that was most of the things what we get on the instrument
Instrument.
panel that's the RPM meter okay gas shift indicator
yeah
and that's the speedometer okay so let me tell you guys he is
5.7.5
okay and he can still comfortably sit on the bike as we can see बहुत आराम से बैठ सकते हैं and
this is
riders
the rider triangle
perfect
yeah perfect for
Per-
touring
yeah perfect for even also your reach
yeah
to your handlebars I guess they are also adjustable as per the rider's height
huh.
okay so pretty decent and the quality of seat it is very good comfortable
yeah comfortable
okay perfect for touring
yeah और ये सीट के बाद एयर सीट की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ती
okay air cushion seats
yeah
since we have already covered a distance from Pune to Goa
yeah
the ride was pretty decent
pretty decent
no
absolutely मतलब mind boggling
okay so coming to the huge
tank.
fuel tank
yeah
so how much is the fuel tank capacity
fuel tank capacity is 20 liters
okay
so one full fuel tank can give me around 500
plus
range
500 plus kilometers
500 range
which is pretty decent
yeah
Okay.
480 500 we can say
okay
depending upon the
riding
style.
conditions and the how you ride
yeah
okay
so अभी मेरे को जो बाइक शो कर रही है वो 25 शो कर रही है
which is a
माइलेज
pretty
हाँ और 800 सीसी के लिए और फर्स्ट सर्विस हुआ भी नहीं है तो बहुत मतलब मैं
बहुत ही
बोलूँगा बहुत
decent
अच्छी
mileage.
हाँ
Yes.
बहुत अच्छी माइलेज है क्योंकि मैं इससे पहले इंटरसेप्टर चलाता था
Okay.
और इंटरसेप्टर में मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट 24 23 और मैक्सिमम मैंने उसको 35 मतलब 32 भी मैंने अचीव किया हुआ है
that too being a 650 cc
या 650 सीसी
and this is 800
800
category
या एंड दिस इज ऑयल सॉरी लिक्विड कूल्ड
Okay,
एंड
it's a
दैट वाज
oil cooled
या
okay so now we'll listen to the exhaust notes and startup of how it sounds like fire it up pretty smooth sound
या लास्ट हमारा अर्ली
bike is grabbing attention of a lot of people around
हाँ
so he is having a test ride on the bike उसकी फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस को देखेंगे
ऐका 4500 वगैरे पण नाका फर्स्ट सर्विस जाऊचे हा इथले हा
रेव करना का
हय हा हय हय
सावकरी इजी दोर थ्रॉटल
का चालवतो ना तू
first ride impressions in one word.
Excellent.
Okay, tell me something about the accessories that you are planning to install on the same.
सो अभी मैंने इसको SRC के गार्ड्स अपर एंड लोअर ऑर्डर
Okay.
किए हुए हैं.
Okay,
सो उसमें आई गेस 3-4 दिन लग जाएंगे आने में.
okay.
वो पुणे में ऑर्डर किए हैं, सो
So-
पुणे में ही फिट करूँगा.
Along with the sliders.
नो नो नो, नॉट विद द स्लाइडर्स,
Okay, just the
जस्ट द गार्ड.
guards.
Yeah.
Okay,
फिर मैंने इसका सेंटर स्टैंड ऑर्डर किया है.
okay. Center stand.
हाँ, जो इस गाड़ी में नहीं आता, हमें ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है, विच इज़ कॉस्टिंग ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 30,000.
Okay. Again, it is from the company.
या फ्रॉम द
Okay.
कंपनी.
Okay, fine.
सेंटर स्टैंड कंपनी का मंगाया मैंने.
Okay,
और फ्यूचर में मैं बागबास्टर्स लगाऊंगा
okay,
फॉर बेटर सेफ्टी. ये सिर्फ फ्लिम्जी मतलब प्लास्टिक्स है.
okay. These are just.
इसमें हाँ, इसमें कोई मेटल ये नहीं
हाँ,
है.
okay, okay. इसमें मेटल का कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Just a wind deflector.
या
Okay.
और मैं प्लान कर रहा हूँ ऑक्सिलरी राइड्स.
Okay, aux lights. They are a must.
या दे आर मस्ट. और फिर जब लॉन्ग राइड करूँगा तब सैडल स्टे लगा लूँगा. अभी कोई लॉन्ग राइड प्लान नहीं है मेरा. देन एक टायर सेट खत्म होने के बाद मैं उसको कन्वर्जन करूँगा ट्यूबलेस.
Into tubeless. Okay.
Yeah.
So this comes with a
ट्यूब टायर.
tubed tires. Okay.
टायर भी ट्यूब टायर है.
Okay, okay, okay.
सो अभी मैं अगर कन्वर्ट करूँगा तो उसका कोई मतलब है नहीं.
Correct. वो यूज नहीं होंगे.
हाँ.
So trying the beast for the first time. Let's see how it handles. First time तो third असता हर कोणे.
हय आसता.
Heavy third सर को.
हय.
So that was all about this beautiful beast, and thanks a lot Shrey for sharing the same
Yeah.
on my channel, and many more kilometers to go.
Yeah.
So that was all about today's video. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please do subscribe. Please do leave a beautiful comment, and once again congratulations
Thank you.
to you, and see you very soon
Yeah.
in the next video.
Let's ride soon.
Yeah, let's ride soon. Signing off. Thank you.